Namaste. My name is Rishi Gautam from Department of Journalism. Today's topic is what is online journalism? Digital journalism or online journalism, also known as online journalism or new media journalism. Online journalism is a contemporary form of journalism where editorial content is distributed via the internet as opposed to publishing via print or broadcast. Online journalism is a process that has been in use for the past years by newspapers, industries, journalists report facts produced and distributed through the internet. It has been noticed that people no longer buy the printed out newspapers except they want to keep it for reference purpose, but the internet users sees it has a readily available and less costly network. Digital journalism, also known as online journalism, is a contemporary form of journalism where editorial content is distributed via the internet as opposed to publishing via print or broadcast. What constitutes digital journalism is debated by scholars. However, the primary product of journalism, which is news and feature on current affairs, is presented solely or in combination as text, audio, video and some interactive forms, and disseminated through digital media platforms. Fewer barriers to entry, lower distribution costs, and diverse computer networking sponsored by Atlassian. Where are the new enhancements to the Confluence mobile app? We have highlighted a handful of the newest stuff here, so be sure to let us know what you think. Read more. Online journalism is simply doing journalism for publishing online. However, the techniques used are significantly different. For example, when publishing online, one is not limited by space like you might be in print journalism or by time like in broadcast journalism. The ability to hyperlink to other sites allows the journalist to leave out detailed parts of the story and simply allow the reader to go to the site for the information if they desire. With online journalism, you can attach video, audio, and even provide the complete audio transcript of an interview. Online journalism is doing journalism through the internet. It's full of scope as there isn't any time or space crunch like in TV, radio, or newspaper. You can make videos for as long as you want. You can decide about its distribution and disseminate it on several platforms. You can write it as many words as you want to and post it without the editorial gag. Thank you.